Hi guys, I know I'm a little late on this, but it is my first public video. So, Smash Bros. Switch. It was just revealed last Thursday, and it's pretty hype. I'm not going to go into too much speculation, since there isn't much to go on, but I will be doing occasional updates as more info comes our way. So far, we don't know much, but what we do know is, A, the game is, well, gonna happen. That's a really big one. B, Inklings are gonna be in it. Not that surprised, but excited for sure. C, Breath of the Wild Link is in it, which was an interesting choice. I think a new moveset would be really cool. And D, the most exciting news of all. The one question we've all had on our minds has been answered. Yes, the new Smash Bros. Game will have Mario in it. Crazy, right? Almost smashed my chair into the ground from sheer hype. All jokes aside, I am super excited, and I honestly didn't expect this until at least E3, but here it is, revealed at Nintendo Direct. Crazy, right? And it's coming up this year. Apparently it's been in the works for quite some time now, according to Sakurai. That's right, Sakurai is going to help with development. Oh, okay, now that we've got all the facts down, let's just do a tiny bit of speculation. Is it or is it not a new game? Well, I think it is a new game, not just a port. Here are a few reasons why. 1. Nintendo changed the entire site. It's been wiped clean. They probably would not have done that for a port. I mean, they would have probably just kept the site as it was and added stuff to it. 2. The title does not look the same, and it isn't just simplified apparently. It doesn't quite line up with the old one. Also, there is a cross, like a split cross in it, which wasn't in any of the old ones. Also, it's being developed by different companies. Yeah, apparently the different companies are helping with it than before. So that's a pretty big sign that it could be a new game and not just a port. 4. The copyright thing says copyright 2018. If it was a port, because of how copyright stuff works, it would have to say copyright 2014. 2014 being the year Smash 4 came out. See, technically, it's the same game. It would be just the same game, but a port. But since it isn't just a port, it says is copyright 2018 because that's when this game is going to be released. Since if it was a port, it would technically be the same game, and they would have to say copyright 2014, just because of how copyright laws work. So, that's my opinion. Please share yours in the comments below. Also, what character would you like to see in Smash? I personally would love to see Decidueye. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon for notifications whenever I upload a video. Have a great day, and see you later.